Isn't this great, AJ? We're having our second anniversary.
Yeah, but too bad we couldn't go on as many adventures as we thought we would last year.
Don't worry, AJ. I'm sure we'll have even more adventures in the future.
You're probably right. Thanks for cheering me up, Pizza Dog.
You're welcome. Anyways, I got us some pineapple pizza to eat. Do you want some?
Oh boy, pineapple pizza! Thanks, Pizza Dog.
That was some good pineapple pizza. Huh? What's that strange noise? AJ, what's going on? Oh no! What's wrong with AJ?
It says that he's making choking noises, but let's stand here and see what happens.
Phew! Don't worry, guys. A piece of pineapple I ate went down my windpipe, but I was able to cough it up. Anyways.
Let's keep on partying. What the?